Some leaves we talk about, and then their integration we are not talking. Third year, they are at the lowest level, then at the system level, finally at the final year instrumentation and total run, total system. You travel like this, because boy is coming for the first time, he cannot understand. But for us, we should make him go from top down. That requires a clear understanding of how we think, what we do, how we work out, we have to run around. There is no second class. So what I will do, it's an entire gamut I have to cover. I don't know how much time, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, whatever it may be. And indeed, I thought I wouldn't bother about my course. My course automatically will follow. So my general introduction normally happened to be making the students see the overall perspective of entire electronics gamut. And in that my question happened to be very small, my course I will always cover. Probably last 10 years I am using this. Indeed, for this going forward became much easier for me. I need not even plan. Dynamically it will change, hence I don't use slides, because I will be asking you something, whatever you said, based on that, the direction will change. Maybe at the outset, you must be able to identify two things to your students. What's the difference between science, engineering, technology? Because you have to give technology degree to the boys. So you yourself should know the difference between science, engineering and technology. And then all the branches of engineering in that, we don't delineate any branch that is great, this is not great. You have to feel something, you will be feeling something. It's as simple. So it's not to say that we are great, but then there is a greater responsibility on us that we have to run around. Can somebody give me any suggestion? How do we really demark science, engineering and technology? Any ideas? You are teachers, come on. Your student never asked you so far?
I think technology is the application of the science.
But what is science? If I know, then I will define technology. See, one thing that we have to remember, no definition can be a repetitive of the same word. That means when I am defining something, I can't use the same word in the definition. Iterative definitions I can't do. First rule. Second rule is when I am defining, I have to define everything in terms of known things. I should not define in terms of unknown things. Our aim happened to be science, engineering, technology, application of science. Science we have not defined. So we have not said right. How do we put forth this? Any ideas? Everyone has gone through this drill. Science, what it is doing basically is observe the nature, what is happening. Certain events are happening. Why it is happening, you wanted to give an explanation. So you formulate some hypothesis. Based on the hypothesis, it is running. Many hypotheses one can think of. Normal, standard thing that I would like to take most of the time, not necessarily mandatory, happen to be Avogadro. Avogadro's number is very important today for all your chemistry work. Everybody knows. Periodic table, when you try to run, for every element Avogadro number will be given. Greatest contributor. Avogadro hypothesized molecules are indivisible. In his time, he has proved. So to explain an equation, he tried to put forth this many molecules of this plus this many molecules of this plus this many molecules of so and so. You give rise to this gas, precipitate so and so. People felt happy, we were able to explain this reaction. Hypothesis got changed. Again, we tried to resist the change. Somebody literally proved that molecules are divisible, atoms are indivisible. So you were forced to see, to explain the same reaction. Earlier molecules you have taken 24 atoms of iron plus 2 X atoms of chlorine and then adjusted, now I have explained. For example, one is indivisible, bloody hell, today I don't know what to do. So Fe plus, Fe minus, electron is always negative charge. But electron plus we will write the equation and then say that, now I have explained.